Okay, let's get a brief walkthrough about the ChatGPT user interface. So the ChatGPT interface is pretty straightforward and very user-friendly, very simple. As we can see that as a chat interface, it has a bunch of options as the start conversations options. For example, create an image for my presentation, or explain the superconductors, text inviting friend to wedding. So these are the typical start conversation options that can enlighten our ideas. And notice that each time when you visit this interface, you can get totally different suggestions, very creative ideas randomly generated. On the left side, you will see there are some historical chats that be saved based on the timelines. And notice that while you are prompting, okay, or while you are sending messages input to the Chat GPT, Chat GPT does collect our inputs and prompt to keep constantly improve their models, okay, so that in the future conversations they get more sophisticated. So through helping answering our inquiries and questions, you can see that ChatGPT also constantly learn to improve themselves. And if you don't want your any of your inputs and the historical data to be captured, there is an option for the temporary chat, okay, where you can see that the chat won't appear in the history, even though there will be a copy kept for up to 30 days. And also the temporary chats will not be used to improve their models, okay? And also the memories will be turned off. All right, so here I'm just coming back and on the top side, as we can see when we click explore the GPTs, so we know here that's where all of the custom GPTs are. Okay, so there are the GPTs developed by the ChatGPT team, and also there's the GPT that's developed by the community team. So very abundant topics, okay? And there's quite a bit of popular GPTs or GPTs applications. And now, okay, on the bottom left corner, there's a button for upgrade the plans. And notice that as what ChatGPT has promoted, okay, so there's a big difference between the free version of the GPT and the premium version of the GPT. As we can see, to upgrade to the GPT Plus, it will cost USD $20 per month. So between the free and the plus, you can see there's the different limitations access to the latest model of the GPT 4.0. As we can see, there's the restrictions on that, as well as the restrictions for other features such as advanced data analysis, okay, conducting file uploads, making the vision, okay, things like doing the DALI image generations, or doing the web browsing, meaning that allow the GPTs to fetch the latest information from the internet instead of retrieving the data from a pre-trained data sets, say a period ago, right? And another major difference between the free version of the GPT and the ChatGPT Plus is that with the ChatGPT Plus plan, you are able to create and to use the custom GPTs, which are referred to the building the virtual assistants that we are talking about. And in fact, our custom GPTs will rely on a lot about advanced data analysis and file uploads, as well as the visions and the web browsing. So that's where you can see the value is provided during the plus option.